So I decided I have a subscription box problem because they're not expensive and you get so many products and I love them, and it's like Christmas every time I open my mailbox and there's a box there, so why not? Plus I could never buy all these products for this price. So this month I decided to try FabFitFun and I'm very excited. So I peeked a little bit and they do give you like a newspaper that tells you all about the products, and that's pretty cool. But let's be real, I like browsed through the first like 30 seconds and then I was like, I'm not doing this because I'm too busy. But when you open up the box, it's so pretty. It says Taste of Summer and it's wrapped. And then we'll just start with the first product I see. So in my box, I got the Tardiest Pro to Go. And this is a little eyeshadow thing that you can take with you. And it retails for $42. I think this actually retails for like $20, and then it also came with something else that I'm really excited to show you. But look how pretty. Isn't that so pretty? So that'll be a fun look to do. I could probably use this in the next video if you guys would like. That would be fun. But not only did we get that, we also got a liquid eyeliner by Tarte. It's called Sex Kitten. Let me show you how cute this is. It's got a little cat on there. I freaking hate cats, but that is cute. So it's a liquid pencil, and this is very, very, very similar to their Tardiest liquid eyeliner. It's very dark. That's gonna make a great wing. So that's pretty cool, because I know that this probably retails for $20 on its own. So you got those two makeup products, which is super amazing. I got this Pure One thing. I'm not sure what's in here. I think I know what it is because of the pictures I've seen, but we'll see. Yeah. So this is like a cute little dish. It's very, very on trend. It's got like a gold rim, marble. This is good to like sit next to the counter in your kitchen or in your bathroom. You can put your rings on it. I've got a ton of jewelry now that I've bought a lot from paparazzi. So that'll be fun, and I think it's very pretty. Not something I would necessarily go buy myself, but it's awesome to get it part of the box. What's next? Next is this Limes. So this is a papaya enzyme pill. So I think it's gonna be like a exfoliator. Yep. Exfoliate purified tired lackluster skin. So that'll be interesting to try. Next is, ooh, a workout band. This will be good because I just joined the Beachbody On Demand. And sometimes they say you can use a resistance band like this. Tiny, but it's good. Yeah, working out those muscles. That's cool. Next is Coola. This, my really good friend Shannon loves this sunscreen. She swears it is so good for your skin. It's made for the face. It's made with all natural ingredients. SPF is 50. And, I mean, I've always wanted to try it, but I've never wanted to spend like $30-something on a sunscreen for your face. And I know that's crazy because, let's be real, your skin is everything, right? And it smells good too. It doesn't smell like your typical sunscreen. I hate the way sunscreen smells. And more than that, I hate when you put sunscreen on your face and it gets on your lips and then all day you taste sunscreen. It is horrible. But anyways, I'm excited to try that, especially because I spent a lot of my time at the pool with my keys. What's next? Next is this guy, which is one of the reasons I got the box this month. The box is $49.99. It's seasonally, it's not monthly, but there's a $10 off code. And so I got it for $39.99, but this bad boy retails for $89.99. And it's this little tiny thing, and I'm kind of cool that we got black. You put your moisturizer on there and you cleanse your face. Not only that, there's technology in there that links to an app on your phone and tells you, hey, this part of your skin is super dehydrated, or like all kinds of other stuff that I haven't really read up on yet. But it sounds really cool because Technology is awesome. So I'm really excited to try this and for it to tell me that maybe my skin is really dry. Maybe it's gonna tell me my skin's oily when I thought it's dry this whole time. So we'll see. Then I got this, and I'm excited about this. FabFitFun lets you pick a couple things in your box. This is one of the things I picked. It's a essential oil muscle rub. So I get a lot of tension in my back, like right here and in between my shoulder blades because I have such a big chest that I carry so much weight and it freaking hurts. So I got this and it smells like lavender essential oil. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. And I'm really excited to try it. I'll show you the consistency. It's like a cream. It's so nice. It smells so good. I wonder if it'll tell me what exactly is in it. So lavender, rosemary, some oils I don't know how to pronounce, patchouli, juniper, ginger, pine, black pepper. Yeah. So it smells good and I hope it works. And maybe if I stay up till midnight when my husband gets home, I'll have him run it out. Actually, what I should do is put my kids to work. I work so hard for them. I should make them work. I'm gonna do that. So there's one more thing in my box. And this was another thing I got to pick. You got to pick this or like a makeup bag. So like I said, I go to the pool a lot. This is a microfiber beach towel. And for some crazy, stupid reason, this little sucker retails for like $60 frickin'. And that is crazy. And that's why I got it. Because I don't need a damn makeup bag. I want a towel that costs $55 or whatever. But look at this. Look how pretty she is. I'm so excited. And apparently, for those of you, if you're watching and you live on the beach or you're going to the beach, the sand doesn't stick to it. Like, what? So that's the back. It's just white. It's microfiber. It looks like the towels that I used to clean my house with, to be honest. But it's big. And it's so pretty. What if I use this as my backdrop? What do you think, Shannon? Can you come over and help me with this? Give me my backdrop all summer? Hi. Anyways, I'm excited about it. So that's my FabFitFun box. My kids are already knocking on the door because it's been effectively 7 minutes and they can't be without me. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And if you guys want me to do an unboxing for BoxyCharm, let me know.